What's up, everyone? Another day. I think this will be the last cold day. Well, I should say freezing night. Oofta, look at this. I think there's a little bit of ice in the line. Just a little bit. Ladies, how is it going? You need some water. Excuse me, ma'am. You're not supposed to be up there. Come on, shoot. Thank you. I have a funny feeling I'm going to have to clip wings. Not today. Oh, forgot. We got new feed until we get the feed in bulk for the layers, so I gotta give them a scoop. I always do a scoop in the morning and a scoop in the evening for the older ladies.
If you like, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment.
Hi, Mary.
And you guys enjoy life. God bless you.
We are a little behind on watching some of Mary's videos. We actually like watch them because she has really good cooking tips and good ideas that we've been trying. And I've never really said it on here, so go check out Mary.
Chickies doing? Yeah. They're not so little anymore, are they?
Did you pet one?
Yeah, a big. counting eggs.
How many did he?
I don't know. I'm not counting. Come on, girl. Come on, get up. There you go. Come on, girl.
Do they all fit, Evan? How many do you think that is?
A lot more than a dozen.
More than a dozen.
There's always some back there. Mama, a bucket.
Bye, girls.
Bye, girl.
I think we're gonna finally try some kale in our eggs tomorrow, so I'm gonna get some of this cut for breakfast. The turnips are coming up so well. They're still pretty small, but we planted so many. I think they're all gonna be ready at the same time, so we're gonna pick a couple and try them with our supper tonight. I don't know if we've really ever had turnips. I was actually at a restaurant the other day, and I'm pretty sure their pickled veggies that we had were turnips, but I'm not positive. It tasted kind of like a pickled Colorado. So I stopped at my parents' house today, and my dad dug me up some peonies that they had just an abundance of. So I'm so excited that I'm going to get these planted in the ground soon. Peonies are my very favorite flower, probably because my parents have a lot at their house. And I'll put a picture in here somewhere so you can see what these ones are supposed to look like if you're not familiar.